years ago, your now spouse, you went on a date and you had dinner and drinks and it was a conversation. And it was like, cool. If you enjoyed the dinner and drinks and the conversation, you had another conversation. And if those conversations got progressively better and the relationship got progressively better, ultimately it turned into a marriage proposal and everybody's one big happy family, right? If at any point down the road you get uncomfortable with something, you just say stop. You know, don't take people all the way down a path and they go, this isn't what I really want to look for. Don't waste people's time, either companies or executives. But I think it's about kind of putting it out there up front and saying, look, in the interview, here is what I'm looking for as an executive. As a business, here is what we need. You know, from the offer process. You know, yes, I'm on board. Nobody wants to hear, I got to think about it. Like, what are you thinking about? Do you not like the job? Do you not like us? Do you not like, what are you thinking about? What do we need to do? Well, I just don't know. Now you're just being wishy-washy, wasting time. So I think it's, hey, look, you know, you had the conversation. If there's something in the conversation you didn't like, you say, take a step back and go, all right, I've got these 3, 4, 5 questions that I really need to define. Or, you know, there are 3 things in my head that I need to define. From an offer standpoint, it's, you know, if you come to the table with this, I'm saying, hell yeah, and I'm starting in 2 weeks and I'm on board. That's what people want to hear.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's when you know that's when you know you've got a good, solid foundation. And you may tell the company, hey, look, I'm going to be above your budget. But if you come to if you do this, I'm on board with it. So I think it's being very clear with what you want and being very, very clear with what you can do up front so that, you know, you don't go down a long path and find out, we're really not right for each other.